Growing lilies in containers in the garden is a great way to showcase these stunning plants. You can grow many different types of lilies like this, and I'm going to be showing you how to grow the regal lily, Lilium regale. The materials you will need for this are lily bulbs, potting compost, horticultural grit, a watering can, a container, and a trowel. The size of the container you'll need will depend on the size of your bulbs, but aim for one with a minimum 30 cm depth and width, with plenty of drainage holes. For a good display, plant at least 3 bulbs per container. First, add your potting compost. Although any good multi-purpose compost is fine to use, soil-based John Innes composts are easiest to manage in terms of watering and feeding. John Innes No. 3 is best for most lilies. Whichever compost you're using, you may want to mix in about 25% grit to open up the compost. Now you can plant your bulbs. Bulbs should be planted with their basal plate, which has hair-like roots hanging down from it, facing downwards, and the pointed tip of the bulb scales pointing upwards. Some lilies will root from the base, and others will root from the base and the stem. If there is no indication, planting the bulbs just over twice their own depth is a good compromise. Ensure you allow 5 cm between your bulbs and place them into the soil. Keep the compost moist, but not wet. Feed with a high potassium liquid fertiliser, such as tomato feed, every fortnight during the summer. For more information on growing lilies in containers, head to the RHS website.